Have you ever found yourself glued to the couch, remote in one hand and a snack in the other, while your favorite show plays on repeat? Well, what if I told you that you could turn that binge-watching marathon into a money-making venture? Yes, you heard that right. Picture this. You're laughing at the latest sitcom or gasping at a plot twist, and meanwhile, your bank account is quietly growing. It sounds like a dream, but it's a reality I stumbled upon quite accidentally. In this video, I'll share my unexpected journey of how I made $5,000 while indulging in my guilty pleasure of TV shows. From participating in online surveys during commercial breaks to cashing in on rewards programs, there are surprisingly creative ways to earn money without sacrificing your leisure time. So, if you've ever thought that your couch could be a goldmine, stick around. We'll explore the delightful blend of entertainment and financial gain, all while keeping it lighthearted and relatable. After all, who wouldn't want to make money while enjoying their favorite characters and plot lines? Let's dive into this unconventional success story together. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. The setup. My binge-watching routine. Let me take you into my world of binge-watching, where the couch is my throne and the TV remote is my scepter. I have a few go-to shows that I can watch on repeat, like Stranger Things, The Office, and the latest true crime documentaries. On weekends, you'll find me glued to the screen for hours, sometimes even pulling all-nighters fueled by popcorn and caffeine. It's a routine that's become second nature to me, snuggling up with my favorite blanket, losing track of time, and diving deep into fictional worlds. But here's where it gets interesting. As I settled into my binge-watching sessions, I started to notice that I could multitask. I began filling out online surveys or participating in cashback programs during those commercial breaks or slower scenes. What started as a way to pass the time turned into an unexpected financial opportunity. This experience opened my eyes to the idea that leisure time doesn't have to be wasted. It can be transformed into productive opportunities. So, if you think your downtime is just for relaxation, think again. You might just find a way to make it work for you too. The accidental discovery. Picture this. I'm lounging on my couch, fully immersed in the latest season of my favorite show when I get a notification on my phone. It's from a rewards app I downloaded ages ago, but never really used. Out of sheer boredom, during a particularly slow episode, I decided to check it out. To my surprise, I discovered that I could earn points just by watching TV. I couldn't help but chuckle at the irony. Here I was, doing my usual couch potato routine, and suddenly, it felt like I was getting paid to do what I love most. I quickly signed up for a few more platforms that offered similar rewards for watching shows, filling out surveys, and even sharing my opinions on products. The points started racking up faster than I could binge-watch episodes. It was a hilarious moment of realization that sometimes, the best opportunities come when you least expect them. This experience taught me the importance of staying open to unexpected chances in everyday life. Who knew that my lazy afternoons could turn into a mini side hustle? So, the next time you're lounging around, keep your eyes peeled. You might just stumble upon your own accidental discovery. How I made it work. Once I discovered the potential to earn money while binge-watching, I knew I had to create a game plan to make it work without sacrificing my beloved shows. First, I set up my rewards apps on my phone and tablet, ensuring they were easily accessible during my viewing sessions. I made it a habit to check for surveys or tasks during commercial breaks or slower scenes, allowing me to stay engaged with the plot while still earning points. Next, I started scheduling my binge-watching sessions strategically. I'd pick shows that had shorter episodes or ones that I could pause easily, like sitcoms or reality TV. This way, I could jump into a quick survey or task without missing too much action. I also kept a notepad handy to jot down any ideas for future content or products I could review, turning my leisure time into a brainstorming session. For those looking to replicate my success, I encourage you to explore various rewards platforms and find what works best for you. Be creative and resourceful, whether it's watching ads, participating in focus groups, or sharing your opinions online. There are countless ways to turn your downtime into a profitable venture. Happy watching and earning! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 145 to choose from.